Hey guys, this video is about Mi Box S. It's powered by Android 8.1, easy to use and support voice search and Chromecast, as well as delivering a world of content the whole family can enjoy. In this video, I am going to unbox Mi Box S by Xiaomi and also give some of the review of it. So let's start the video. Inventions with time. So here is our box, Mi Box 4 Ultra HD and free HDMI cable 3000 plus apps. And here are the 3 steps to connect. Attach Mi Box to TV, connect to internet and start streaming. If we look on the back side, we have DTS audio output, Chromecast built-in, Google Assistant built-in, 4K Ultra HD HDR, and then we have quad-core CPU, 3+2 core GPU. Let's open the box. And the first thing we have Mi Box itself, and then we have some of the setup settings, and then we have some other information about the Mi Box, and then we have terms and policies. Let's see other stuff in the box. The first thing we have HDMI cable, then we have power plug, and also we have remote and couple of batteries. Let's ignore other stuff and see Mi Box. Mi Box is very thin and can provide 4K Ultra HDR. If we talk about its parts, we have a power plug, and then we have a USB port, and then the HDMI port, and then we have a audio output port. Mi Box is very compatible with thousands of apps, giving you access to the tons of premium video service and constant stream of fresh new content. The apps included like Spotify, Stars, YouTube, ESPN, Google Play Music, and we have some other apps, 3000 plus apps on Mi Box. It's very cheap in price and provides you a high-speed streaming and HD video playback. Call and text without interrupting what's playing on your TV. Setting up Mi Box on your TV is very easy and you can do it just in 3 steps. The first step you have to do is attach Mi Box to your TV and then connect to the internet. And that's all. Your stream is ready to go. Let me connect it to my TV and then we will have a closer look to its quality. And here my Mi Box is connected to my TV. As you can see, there are lots of applications already installed on it. And we have some of the Netflix app, featured trending videos of YouTube, and some of the other content. In the app section, you can get more apps and more games. You can install them instantly. And if we talk about our Google Assistant, which is built in Mi Box, and as we know, Google Assistant is already built in this Mi Box. So let's use it and search for some video. Pixel 3 XL December update, and here are the result of this query, and let me play a video, and here you can see it's very good quality of the video and it's streaming 4K. Let's try another video. Apple Watch review. 4K HDR. And here are the results for it. When I play this video, you can see a very good high quality and high speed streaming on it. It's very low budget in price and you can buy it from any of the websites like Amazon and other websites. Now I will start streaming from my Android smartphone. And here is my smartphone, and if we go to YouTube section, from here you can select your button wireless screen mirroring, and mirroring almost any device including phone, tablet or a laptop. You can stream via these devices from Unbox. Now video is playing 2018 iPad Pro, and here you can see our Android streaming is on our TV. As the quality is very good and high speed. So that's for this video. If you like our video, you can comment and also hit the like button. And do not forget to subscribe my channel so you can get updates of my next videos.